Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G, and in this video I'll be unboxing it. So on the bottom of the box we can find information about this exact device, and right here we can see the name, its color, which is graphite gray, 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The manufacturer, all kinds of stuff, you can read it right here. There's also serial number along with email numbers. Now, rest of the information you can check on our website, and the link is included in the comment below, so be sure to check it out if you want to know more about this device. Now let's take the other box sides in order to check for more information, but there's nothing. And on the bottom we can see the stickers. We'll need to cut them to access the phone, so let's do that. Here it is. You can open the box, and on the bottom of the box you can see some kind of code, and if you're interested in this you can find it right here. There's instructions right here along with a needle, so be sure to don't throw that cardboard out without taking it first. There's instructions packed inside the case. Let's check the case. It's a flexible, transparent, standard case which you can insert to protect your device. Here's our phone. We can take it out like this in order to not damage the box. It's protected by a foil, sorry. And you can read more information right here. It's a 120 watts hypercharger, a long-lasting 4500 milliampere hours battery, 108 megapixels pro grade main camera, ultra wide and macro lenses. There's also 120 Hz display with AMOLED display, dual speaker sound by JBL, so that's probably stereo ones, and also MediaTek Dimensity 920 with 5G 6 nanometers ultra performance processor. Very nice stuff. And now we can open it, but let's check the rest of the box. And here's a charger which they mentioned, and that's very fast charger which helps you charging this device, also very fast. USB cable which you plug to this charger, and there's also USB-C to plug into your phone. So that's it for the box. There's nothing else. We can put it on the side and move on to this phone. Let's take out the protecting foil. Here's this graphite texture, very light reflective and very beautiful, very nice. Okay, on the front obviously we have a camera, the phone call speaker, no speaker on the front glass. Here's speaker, the charger, microphone, and also SD or SIM card slot. There's a jack plug, another microphone, and that's some kind of probably detection LED or something like that. There's also a speaker. On the right side we can find the lock and power key. It also serves as a fingerprint scanner, volume up down key, and on the left side it's empty. On the back we have a camera, all 4 of them, and the flashlight right here. Now let's power up this device. Hopefully it's charged. But I guess it's not. So yeah, the phone just came uncharged, so I can't show you rest of the settings or about phone information. So be sure to check our other videos for that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.